Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing good. Today we've got a great review for you. This is the Koolertron Mechanical Programmable 48 key keyboard. Now this thing is going to be awesome for gamers, for live streamers, for video editing, anything you can think of you can do with this programmable keyboard. It has a bunch of features. It has up to 8 macro keys. All 48 keys are programmable to however you want to run scripts, anything like that. You can run auto hotkey with it to write your own scripts and macro keys and all that kind of stuff. So it is really, really powerful. So without further ado, let us get into the unboxing. All right, so opening the box. Let's see. So immediately off the bat, we have our instructions. Oh, we have some labels. Looks like we have some white ones and some black ones there to put on our keys if we want to do that. Oh, so in this compartment. Okay, we'll take a look in that bag in a second. Looks like USB cable. Here's the device itself. So let's get this out right here. There we go. And now we'll put this to the side. There we go. Okay, let's pull this out of the bag and take a closer look. So, as you can see, we have 48 programmable keys here, black and white. There are, which I think is actually really cool, there's a USB port on this side of the device, and there's one on this side. So no matter how you have the configuration set up, it can be suited to your desk. So really you can use this in any orientation. You can use it like this, or this, however you want. I believe this is the right way with the LEDs on the left here. So these LEDs will light up depending upon what mode you have this in. Here's one thing I'm going to do is it's the click test, because we know this is mechanical. So have a listen. Yeah, and these feel nice too. These feel nice to press. All right, so that's really all there is to the unit. We'll have a look on the underside. We just got some rubberized feet under there, not much going on really. Okay, so what we're going to do is let's just put this off to one side, and we're going to have a look at what came in this little bag right here. So there's a few things in here I can see. There is the USB cable. This is the keycap remover right there. There's a brush in here to keep it clean when you take off the keycaps, or if you have dust in there, you can clean it out. So that's nice that they gave a brush with that. And then it looks like, yes, we have some replaceable keycaps. Oh, well, look at these. These are nice. Some nice replaceable keycaps. So I think we should get this thing set up and see what we can do. All right, here we are, all set up on my desk, and one of the things that you might notice straight away is I replaced this key down here with the red one. Now, I'm going to show you exactly why I did that in a second, but first I want to let you know that the software for this you can find in the manual. It's actually a link they give you, and you just type that into a browser and download it, run it, and it's very, very easy to use. You just have to pick the key you want to program, and then there's drop-down menus and so on that tell you exactly how to program it. So as you can see, we're all set up here. It was very, very easy. I just plugged the USB cable into this side and then plugged that into my USB hub I have on my desk here. And then it was immediately recognized. So I went ahead and did program a key using the software that came with this and auto hotkey, simply because I just like auto hotkey, and it makes things a lot easier. So one of the things that I programmed here is we call record in the office, and before I had to come all the way down to the bottom of my taskbar right here, click on Audacity, wait for it to load, and then find the record button and click on that. Not anymore. With this hotkey right here, the red one that I programmed, all I have to do is tap it and it loads Audacity and starts recording immediately for our phone system. So let me show you this real quick. Let's go back and here we go. Audacity's opening. And there we go, we're automatically recording straight away, and then all I got to do is make it stop like that. And there's our recorded file just from one hotkey. And of course, you can program this to do pretty much anything you want. Like I said, you can use it for gaming, you can use it for photo and video editing, to scrub back and forward through tracks, find things, zoom in and out. You can use it to open apps like I did. You can use it to minimize things, special controls in games, streaming, to load graphics, anything you want. It's basically a cheaper version of the Elgato Stream Deck and not quite as cool as the Elgato Stream Deck, though it is mechanical though, which is one of the perks. Now, of course, I'm going to have a link to this in the description below. You can buy this on Amazon. They make a bunch of different models of this particular thing, from smaller ones to larger ones with different style keys. And you can buy replaceable keycaps as well for it. So if you want to switch up the keys and have loads of different colors, you can even have dual keycaps, one two-way and two one-way, if that makes any sense. So it kind of looks like the big plus button on a regular keyboard, or a horizontal one or something like that. And so you can program a bigger button to do the job of pressing two buttons at the same time. You might want that just for ease of access, to easily smack a larger button, if that makes sense. So yeah, they're just standard keycaps. You can get these and put them on. Also in the box was the label, so if you do want to label these, you can put the labels on those keys as well. So as I said, it comes in a variety of different styles and models, shapes and sizes. They start from anywhere down from $40 up to like $150. But for this particular one, I'm going to leave the link in the description below and you can check it out. The price has been fluctuating recently. I've seen it as low as $40 and I've seen it as high as $70. So just keep a lookout and see if you can get it on a good deal. Alright guys, well thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want me to make a video on actually programming this thing and showing you some of the things that you can do with it, but getting more in depth with the actual programming side of things, drop a comment below, let me know, and I'll make that video happen. So until the next time, do subscribe if you're not already, and like the video, and if you didn't like the video, throw a dislike on that, and drop a comment in the comments below and let me know why you didn't like it. I'm always looking to try and improve the videos that are on the channel, and I hope you guys like what we have. So yeah, thanks very much for checking out this video, and we'll see you next time.